Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to search for library items using our online ValleyCat website. Before we begin, I recommend that you have your Kings County Library card and know the 4 numbers for your personal identification number or PIN. That way, once you start searching for library items, if you find something that you want to place a hold on, you can do it quickly. To begin, we want to go to the library's website, which can be found at kingscountylibrary.org. Once you're at the library's homepage, you want to click the area right here that says Catalog. Because I previously logged in, there's no need for me to log in again, so I can tell that we've logged in our patron here, reader, see the welcome message there. In reference to the options for searching, this first box here lists the different formats that you can use to find library materials. So by default, it's set to look for everything. However, you can limit it by doing a search for physical library items, ebooks and audiobooks found on Overdrive or on the Cloud Library. You can limit it to libraries only within Kings County, books, audiobooks, Blu-ray and DVD, music recordings, which means CDs, large print items, magazines, Spanish materials, and materials for children and teens. The next box here limits the search field, and so by default it will search for all fields. However, you can narrow it down by author, keyword and author heading, title, subject, keyword and subject headings, the ISBN number, series, or performer/artist. This final box here is where you'll type in what you're searching for. So for example here, we're going to do an author search. So we're going to select author, and then we're going to type in, we're going to look for author Stig Larsson. So first we're going to type in his last name, comma, first name, and then let me go back because I see there's an error with the spelling there. And then once we type in the author's name correctly, we'll click the search button. As you can see, a total of 34 came up by searching for his last name, comma, first name. You can also do a similar search by typing in his first name, comma, last name, which will provide the same amount of results as we see by doing this. When looking for book titles, it's helpful to have the title that you're looking for as well as the author's name if possible. So for our example, I'm going to show you what it looks like if we just type in a title of a book, but we're not specific about the author. So we're going to type in the title, click all fields. And so our example here will be The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. So type it in and press search and see what comes up. So as we can see, 27 results came up when we typed in the title, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. However, if we type in that same title and add the author's name, we narrow down the results by a great amount. So we went from 27 results to 15 results. And as you can see from those results, on the left-hand limit search results, it actually has it narrowed down by format. So you can see how many books there are with this title by Stig Larsson, ebooks, sound recordings, DVD, and large print copies of the book. You can also see what's available in reference to electronic format, what library location has this particular title, author name, subject of the items looking at that you're viewing, language that the items are printed in, as well as publication date. So for my next example, we're going to do a more narrow search. So I'm going to change the format. So we're going to look for DVDs, and for DVDs we're going to put in DVD and then title of the DVD, and we're going to look for Grey's Anatomy. And then we'll press search and see what comes up. So as you can see, by being specific about what format we're looking for, as well as the title, we were able to drill down and get 13 results, which are all DVD copies of the TV show Grey's Anatomy. So from here, if I saw a copy that I wanted to put a hold on, I could click the button here to say place hold, which will bring up this box right here. And so with that, it actually lists pickup locations, and so by default it will have, when you're logged into your account, it'll have your default pickup location. For our sample patron, their location is Hanford. However, if I wanted to have it be picked up at another location, I can select any of the library locations in Kings County and then click place hold. And this is how I know that the hold was placed successfully. So I'll press OK. One more thing to be aware of when doing your searching is there's also the advanced search option right here. So if you click on that, you can get even more specific about what you're looking for, as you can see here. So you can find items that have certain words or phrases. You can restrict your results by putting in words that you don't want. You can narrow it down by format, language, library location, and things of that nature. So that's if you wanted to do the advanced search. If you want to go back to the main search screen, just click the picture of the house. And that will return you to the main search page for the ValleyCat online catalog. This concludes the tutorial on how to use ValleyCat's online catalog to search for library materials. Thank you and have a good day.